ready?
Daniel. Daniel.
Come here. Daniel. Where did I get Gabriel? Ooh.
Smell it,
okay,
Daniel.
Ready? We're going in for the sniff.
Wow.
That's really cool. There we go. Okay.
What are you looking at, Chloe? It's pretty around here?
And look at these other orchids. Look, these have beautiful colors. But you can't pick them. You can't pick them.
Chloe, you can't, Chloe, we're gonna go home if you pick it. Chloe? Chloe, you can't do that, Chloe. Chloe?
Oh.
Carmen, if she does it again, she's gonna go to timeout, okay? We don't pick flowers.
Okay, we have to leave the flowers here. Okay? So, ready? Everybody? You have your vehicle ready. We ready? Who goes where?
They have designated sides.
You go there. Okay.
I go here.
You
No,
go
Daniel,
here.
Daniel.
This is where you are. Okay. Oh my goodness, aren't you ready? Okay.
You have
This
to
is a
close
big
it.
adventure. You need.
One second, I'll do it in a second.
There we go. We got one
You know, you
more.
don't need one more. It's
Okay.
fine. Okay.
There we go. We have one more coming. It's lost. Where is it?